Hello guys, this is Apex Tech Channel. Today in this video, I will show you how to recover data from a formatted USB drive. Firstly, you will need to download this free program called Test Disk. The link is in the description of this video. Once you've downloaded the file, extract it. Open the file after extracting. Scroll down to the bottom and locate the photorec_win.exe file. Next, insert your USB drive. You can see I have two files in my USB drive. Now let me format the USB drive so we can recover those files back. Okay. Now let's recover those files back. You can see the folder is empty now. Now open the text disk folder and open the photorec_win.exe file. Select your drive. In this case, mine happens to be the second one. So I'm gonna select the second one. Hit enter on your keyboard. Select other /FAT NTFS and riser FS/. Now select whole option. Now select a destination for the recovered files to be stored in. Please make sure to press C on your keyboard to confirm the destination. Now wait for the recovery process to finish. This will finish in just a minute. Done. Let's check the destination for the recovered files. Hit enter on your keyboard to quit. Close the program. Finally, let's check for our recovered files. You can see they have been recovered. That's it guys. how you recover data from a formatted USB drive. Please make sure to like, share and subscribe. And don't forget to tell me by leaving a comment on how this tutorial worked for you. With that in mind, I will see you in the next tutorial. Be cool.